Tammy Sue stuff will be my birth. Voice by identification card only. This is after the solar sun went down that resembled the fire. You could actually almost see the ring around it before it went down. You see that redness over in there? That is definitely speaking of a hurricane on its way. And the prettiest blue skies up there that you ever seen. Ain't them pretty? But that darkness over there is what worries me. See that darkness right in there? Right there. No, not that light. That darkness right there. That worries me.